Ah, your car won't start. Now you gotta call your super reliable friend, Denny, to come give you a jump. Denny jumps your car and it starts right up, so you keep it running and head straight for O'Reilly Auto Parts. At O'Reilly Auto Parts, we test batteries for free. Batteries for cars, trucks, SUVs, ATVs, you get the picture. Just pull in and we can test your battery while it's still in your vehicle. Or if you can't get your vehicle started, just take the battery out, bring it in, and we'll test it inside. If the test tells us that the battery's not good, we'd love to help you find a replacement. This is a great choice. We'll even install your new battery for you. It's just one of the many services we provide at O'Reilly Auto Parts to help keep you on the road. Your buddy, Denny, is now obsolete.